nasty. Alright, so this is a 1994 Ford F-150 XLT with 192,000 miles. Let's see if this thing starts up. Amazingly, it's cooling a bit. Well, all I can tell you is the interiors in these were really bad, as of most pickups of this age. Very flimsy center console. You can see how just moving the lid, the whole thing jiggles. There's a pocket there, and it is very large. You can store lots of shit in there. It has teacup holders. Once you remove that shitty ashtray. Well, one. Well, two. So climate control, power, ashtray, cigarette lighter. Well, use it for power, really. AC works. The whole thing, when the glove compartment drops, it shakes the whole dash. And it is quite small. Power windows, and these pickups had a little touch here where you can just flip out this window here as a side vent. Doesn't get any more redneck than that. Cruise control, there's the horns. These trucks, most of them had or all of them, I'm not sure, had 2 gas tanks, so you can just, it's running right off the rear gas tank. Change over to the front, and it just did. Oh, it's gonna shut off. The front gas tank is empty. And there's a back seat. This doesn't have 2 little doors, so I'll just show you from here. You have to fold over the driver's seat in order to get in, or the passenger. Whatever it does. It is very padded though. Has cup holders on the sides that fold open. Let me show you the engine. The door panel. The side, this is a vinyl, it is soft, and this is somewhat soft, but because it's warping. The door panel here is already cracking. And the top here is all hard to the touch. 2 gas tanks. Has the 5.0 V8 with 302. Seems to have lumbar support. Yep. Let's turn off this AC for a second. This has a 4-speed auto, obviously. Overdrive. There's a little button on the shifter knob, on the lever, rather.